What's up guys, it's Matt Collins Jones here, also known as a D365 Geek, and today we are talking about Power Automate. We're talking about functions and expressions, and we're talking about the take function. So what is take? Take is a expression that you can use that allows you to take the number of characters in a string up to a certain point, or take the number of values in an array up to a certain point. So you pass in a string or an array, you specify a count, and then it returns that number of characters or that number of objects back to you. Let's take a look at it. So I'm here in Power Automate. I've got my expression flow here. It's just a manual trigger flow with a text input. Then I've got compose action here. So if I click into compose, click expressions, and then I'm going to expand see more. Click see more on collections, and then I'm going to click on take. So take has two parameters that we can put into it. One is value and one is count. So value is a little bit misleading. So what that actually means is that's the collection that you want to put in. So that is the string that you're trying to put in, or that is the array that you're trying to put in. Count is the number of characters in a string or objects in an array that you want to return. So if I have a 10-letter string and I only want to return the first 3 characters of it, I put 3 in there. If I had an array with 20 objects and I only wanted to return 2, I'll put 2 in there. So it's like this. So we put take in there, and then we switch over to dynamic content, and we're going to choose the input that we're putting up there. We'll put a comma in, and then we will put the number 4 in as well. So once I'm happy with that expression, I can click OK, and it updates into the compose box there. I'll click on test, I'll perform the trigger action, and I'll put my name is Matt. We'll run the flow, click done, and we'll look at the compose action, and the compose action has returned my space n, so that is 4 characters. So the 4 character count that we specified in the expression has brought back the 4 characters. So it includes white space, that's one thing to be aware of, but it does count that but it counts everything. So it includes the white space, but we get the 4 characters returned from the string. But this also works for an array. So let's swap over to our array screen. So we're here in our array flow, and I've got a variable up here which has an array in. So this array has 4 different objects and 4 different values in it. So what I will do is I will go to my compose action at the bottom. Again, we're going to go to expression, and click on see more, and then we're going to scroll down to take. Then we're going to go back to our dynamic content. So the variable that I'm initializing up here, this one's called list. Now I'll put a comma in, and then we're going to choose number 3. So what we want to do is return the first 3 sets of values that we've got in this array. So click OK, and then I'll click test. I'll perform the trigger action, run the flow, click done. We'll open up our compose action, and here we've got the first value, the second value, and the third value. So that's why this is really powerful, because you can pull in different numbers of things. So pull in a certain number of characters in a string, pull in the certain number of values in an array, and that's why this can be really powerful. As always, I'd like to know what you guys are using this for, so let me know in the comments down below. If you do like this video, please like and please share this video with your friends. If you've not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can hit me up on social media. All my links are at the end slide of this video. And I'll see you next time.